Welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you a new website which is called Skrill. I'm going to show you the press, which is the news and views. You can see here that you can log in and you can register so you can see more. I will say about support, security, careers, press and feed. This is the shortcut menu. You can follow them on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. And the website is powered by PC. You can see here that there is another menu bar that says transfer money, pay online and web program. It says sign up to our email. So click that so you can get the emails when they have posted something up. Or you can find more help or you can change your language. So I'm going to end the video right here. To find more information, go to the Skrill page. You can read over 150 pages. Thanks for watching and I hope you learned the press on Skrill.